Hey everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how to properly upload YouTube Shorts. So here's my YouTube dashboard. You need to click on this create button. Click on upload videos. Here you can either select your file, but I'm gonna simply drag and drop it here, simple and easy. While uploading, it'll automatically detect it as a YouTube Shorts. Here you need to put your title. Next you can put your description in here. Keep in mind that you'll have to use your mobile app to change the thumbnail. If you need some help, I have a separate tutorial on that available. Next, you can select if your video is mainly made for kids or not. If your video contains some AI content which was replicated from some real event or person, then select yes, otherwise select no. You can go through these other options. And next, you can add your tags in here. You can select if you want to allow audio or video remixing. That's it for the details. Click on next. Make sure that your content doesn't have any of these so your video can be monetized. Click here, then submit rating. Click on next. You can also add a related video from your channel. I'll pick this one, and it'll be displayed under the title of these shorts. You can also add subtitles to your video. If you get any copyright claims, you'll see them listed here. Click on next. Here you have a bunch of options. You can make the video private, unlisted, member only, and public, which will instantly publish it. You can also schedule the video to publish automatically at a later time. It's a very helpful feature. After making all my changes, I'll select public, click on publish, and it's published. You can copy this link and share it to your social media if you want. Try it yourself and share your experience in the comment section. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.